Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here. We've just got a VW Amarok CSHA 2 litre diesel engine, and the customer complaint is a very slow coolant loss. So I just wanted to show you a test that I've done on this one that I feel is quite conclusive, because it's a difficult one to nut down. So the customer says over a couple of months they're topping up about 600 millilitres of coolant, right? So do the math, how much is that per day? Not very much. So I've got the car for one day. I don't have much chance of catching this thing in reality. We've done a pressure test on the cooling system, so we've just pressurised the cooling system. We've got no external leaks, giving it a good inspection. Now, a common fault on these can be the EGR cooler cracking, common fault on a lot of diesels. So what we've done is a bit of an experiment on this one, is we've taken off this pipe that runs from the outlet of the EGR cooler, and this is going to go to the intake. There's multiple pipes on this vehicle. This is the one that's on the passenger side coming from the head, and it runs directly to the EGR valve on the intake pipe. Now, we've got the system pressurised. We've let the car sit for about 4 hours or so. So the theory is we're going to see if we get any coolant or liquid coming out of that passage when we start the car. Definitely some liquid coming out of that EGR cooler heading towards the engine when we start it up, which I don't believe should be there. We don't want to back ourselves into a corner, so I'm going to show this video to the customer, give him the evidence, and together we'll decide if the cost versus benefit is there. But I certainly believe that it should not have any liquid there, and the EGR cooler definitely seems to be leaking. Got the approval, got a new cooler on there, so we're going to recreate the same test. We've still got the car for a bit of time here. We're going to leave it sit for a couple of hours. I'm going to put the pressure tester on the cooling system again. I didn't mention before, sorry, but initially during testing, that pressure tester did not drop at all, right? So we're talking an extremely small leak here, but we'll put the pressure tester on it again, recreate the same experiment, see what it looks like. So I think that was a nice conclusive test there. We were able to prove that the EGR cooler was leaking. We've redone the test and confirmed the fault's no longer there. I'm going to add this one up as a repair solution. So if you're not a TAT member and you want to get access to these kinds of solutions, we have thousands in there from the thousands of members. Get on to www.tat.net.au and join the other members on there that are sharing tips, tricks and repair solutions. Thank you.